Hey everybody, Josh here again with another episode of Artpocalypse, Mentor Public Library's weekly arts and crafts video series, here to show you another cool craft. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a speaker for your smartphone out of just cups and a paper towel tube. Those are the only two things you're going to need. And you can use plastic, styrofoam, paper cups, whatever. This is one I already made, so I will show you guys how that came to be. So first things first, there's probably a smarter way to do this, but I'm not that smart. Take your paper towel tube and trace a circle on the cups so you know where to cut. And it doesn't have to be perfect, just so you kind of have a sense of how big of a circle you're going to need to cut out. So we got those, and then let me get my phone. This will obviously be different for everybody, but take your phone and measure, put like a little tick mark on either side for the slot you're going to cut. It's about there. And then just to give you a sense of how wide you need it to be, do it on either side going the other way, so that way you can cut accurately. And then if you trust yourself with scissors, you can cut yourself. For the little ones at home, probably ask an adult so you guys don't cut yourselves. I'm going to be brave and use a box cutter. You got your slot for your phone, and then just cut a hole in the cups too. And what I found when making this one is that you're going to want to cut a little bit bigger than the circle you traced, just so you have some room to collapse this tube. That one, and then you're good. You just put these on the ends. There you go. And you're done. And I had washi tape laying around so I could do some designs on this one, some acrylic paint, so you can fancy it up however suits your tastes, and then you should be good to go. I'll try some music so you can see the difference. Oops. Usually stays upright. There we go. Voila!